Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to write, navigate, format, and debug code in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. First, open your project folder by selecting File, Open Folder, and choose a sample Python project. VS Code loads your files into the Explorer, letting you browse scripts, modules, and data instantly. Next, add a new file to your project and call it first.py. To start coding, make sure you have installed two extensions: Python, Core Python support, linting, autocomplete, suggestions, debugging; Pylance, high performance IntelliSense and type support. IntelliSense helps you write smarter and faster. As you type, it provides function suggestions, method hints, parameter information, variable predictions. You'll see drop-down suggestions when typing, and pressing tab or enter will autocomplete the highlighted option. Now, I would like to create a simple Python script to demonstrate function uses with a loop. First, I'll define a function named greeting, which accepts the argument name and returns the value by concatenating the word hello with whatever name is passed into it. Next, I'll use a for loop where the variable user will iterate through a list containing three names: Alex, Sam, and Rita. Inside the loop, a variable called msg will store the returned output from the greeting function each time a name is passed to it. Finally, we'll print the value stored in msg, allowing us to see a greeting output for each person in the list. And that's how a function, loop, and variable assignment work together to display multiple outputs dynamically in Python. Next, we'll set a breakpoint inside the loop, run the debugger, and watch msg values update per iteration. This is incredibly useful for tracing logic in loops, conditions, and model execution steps. As you can see, the current Python code isn't consistently formatted, and keeping it neat manually every time can be quite challenging. To automate formatting and maintain clean, readable code effortlessly, VS Code offers a powerful formatting extension like Black Formatter. Install Black Formatter and it will automatically reformat and standardizes Python code to a clean and consistent style according to the Black Code style guidelines. Scroll down the extension details page and locate the format on Save section, then copy the provided configuration snippet. Next, open the command palette using Ctrl+Shift+P and select Preferences. Open User Settings, JSON. Paste the copied code into the settings.json file, return to your Python script, and simply press Save. Your code will now be automatically formatted correctly. This ensures consistent indentation, spacing, and styling across your files. VS Code makes it easy to jump across functions and references in large code bases. Right-click of a method and go to Definition. Opens the exact location of a function or class. From the breadcrumbs section, you can view all references, showing every location where the function is used throughout the project. You can pick any definition directly from the breadcrumbs section, allowing you to view the inline code details without navigating away from your current file. Before running any Python code in VS Code, we need to make sure the correct Python interpreter and environment are set. Now, press Ctrl+Shift+P. And as no environment is set up, so we prefer a clean virtual environment just from the command palette. Click Python, Create Environment. Create a .venv virtual environment for the current workspace, then choose the appropriate Python interpreter. You can also select any required dependencies, such as those listed in requirements.txt. VS Code will begin generating the virtual environment, and once completed, the .venv folder will appear in your file explorer. VS Code will automatically set up the environment for you and install the necessary Python tools. Once created, VS Code will automatically activate the new environment in your session. You'll see the Python interpreter at the bottom status bar in the editor. Now, click Run button to execute the Python source code, and output will be showing under the terminal. Click beside any line number to drop a red breakpoint dot. This pauses execution at that line. Now, select the Run and Debug panel from right sidebar. Click the button Run and Debug. It will start the debugging. Here, a new debugging panel is open icon action description, start or continue, runs the program or continues execution after a breakpoint. Step over executes the next line without entering functions. Step into moves into the function call to debug inside it. Step out completes the current function and returns to the caller. Restart stops and restarts the debugging session from the beginning. Stop halts the running debug session immediately. Now click Continue or F9 to start the debugging. When paused, VS Code lets you inspect variable values directly. Hover over variable names to see live values. Expand Variables panel on the left for deeper inspection. The debug console shows prints, logs, and runtime behavior. It helps verify logic and troubleshoot quickly without rerunning repeatedly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who may benefit.